Federal Reserve sent a mixed feeling to the markets yesterday as they kept interest rates unchanged. Look at it here. Interest rates remain unchanged as the actual 5.50% basic points, which was the forecast and also the previous. And if you look at Euro USD chart, you see the market move a little bit to the upside, and right now market is at this very point. So what are we expecting? In this very video, I'll be talking about the next move after these very interest rates that have been kept unchanged and what you should be paying attention to on Euro USD in the next week before the next Fed release next month. So let's dive right into the details. Watch this video till the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. So right here yesterday we see Fed kept interest rate unchanged at 5.50% basic point, which was what the market was expecting. Okay, this was the forecast and it came out to be this and is the same as the previous. And we know that the next release is going to be on the 31st of next month, which is July, and I am expecting something huge from Fed. So either they cut interest rates by July, or we're going to see interest rate cut before the November election. But before then, what are we going to do on the chart as traders? So market come back down. If you look at what the market was doing right here, market come back a little bit to the downside from this very area prior to that very release. So it means that market is going to still move up. I believe that this market is going to still move up. So technically, if you look at it, market from this very area move upward, we have retracement, and the market move a little bit to the upside, create a new high, not a significant one, higher than the previous high at this very point. Now, if you look at the way the market come back to the downside and you relate it with the Fibonacci too, so if you take the Fibonacci retracement and then you look at it from this very point where the move started up to this very area, you see the market have retraced up to the 0.618 level on the Fibonacci. So market have high capacity for me to continue this movement to the upside. This is what I am expecting personally. And you also need to maybe think in this very regard. So market moving to the upside on the 1-day chart. And if you also know how to trade gaps, when a gap got filled most time in the market, it will begin to go in direction of that very move. What I'm saying is, see, there is a gap that occur on this very chart right here, and we've seen the gap filled with this very candle. So what it means, most time, that is 80% of the time, the market is going to move in this very direction because this gap have been filled right here with this very bullish candle that came out as a result of the Fed interest rate decision yesterday. So this is very important and you need to pay attention to this on the 1-day chart. Very important. And if you switch back to the 4-hour chart right here, on the immediate short term, market drop back down. You see the same gap occur on the 4-hour chart at this very point, and this gap has been filled with this very strong bullish candle. So gap has been filled right now at this very point. Okay, so what I am expecting on the 4-hour chart is market to move to the upside, but before that very movement, markets have capacity of moving a little bit downward into this very area to retest this very resistance on this very gap and then begin to move to the upside. So what that means is look for buy opportunity on Euro USD 4-hour chart, to be very specific. 4-hour chart, Euro USD 4-hour chart, look for buy opportunity. But before you can actually buy, wait for the market to come back down a little bit into this very level of support. This is where I'm expecting the market to find support before the next move to the upside. Now, if that did not happen, that means if the market did not go back down into this very area, and then you need to pay attention to this very level of resistance right here on the chart. So once we break out of this resistance, then the market is going to move to the upside as well. That means if you see the market move upward from where it is right now of 1.08091, a market move upward and break this level of resistance, then it is also a nice time to take a buy position because market is going to move to the upside. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on this very chart as we see this market move to the upside for the next buy opportunity on Euro USD. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. If you've not registered with any broker, check the description. You see my recommended broker below in the description. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.